Thank you for the introduction. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming today. I am Ján Široký, founder of Financie.online, and today I would like to show you what we are working on, what are the next steps, our vision, and possible collaboration or cooperations we are looking for. So let's start. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question for you. How do people make financial decisions today? Well, it mostly looks like this. Someone calls you and has a great offer for you, where to invest, for example, and it's a banker, insurance advisor, or financial advisor. Or someone calls you, hey, we have a great credit card for you. Could you come by to our bank and you will see? And I think it's perfectly fine that these people are today influencing the financial products that we are paying for. But the problem comes when you have a mix of financial products, and every of these products were sold to you by another agent, by another person, and there is no common conception in where your financial situation is going. So, as the saying goes, there's an app for that, and we have created it, and I would like to show it to you now. So our mobile apps, as I said, helps customers to optimize their financial portfolio, all kinds of products, credit cards, mortgages, consumer loans, investments. And it's also a platform because a few weeks ago, we have launched our expert part of the app. So now not only application helps you, but you can also connect with the experts, which can chat with you, have a call. You can book an appointment with them. But what's important, it's a more complex app, and I call it operation system for financial expert, which helps financial advisors and experts organize their work, communicate with their clients, create offers, and have just a better understanding of their clients, which is, I think, the pillar of good advisory work. Okay, so now you may be asking, do we need this? Why have you started working on that? So, as I said, I've been working in finance for 3 years before I started Financie.online, and I have met hundreds of people, listened to hundreds of stories, and seen a lot of financial situations. And what people are telling us is that they need some kind of help, and they are not very convinced that it will come from one institution, from one certain bank, but they want something which is more independent, where they can offer you more products from more financial institutions, but also something that is not solution that is not based on someone's subjective opinions, but only on the numbers. So the problem is that monthly payments of the financial products in Slovakia, from our experience, a lot of times exceed more than a half of household income. But at the same time, these payments are not creating any reserves or savings. Mostly they are only going on the loans, and also sometimes on the insurance products that won't matter much when something horrible happens. Okay, so let's talk about the solution. As I said, people told us they want something independent, and independent from the one particular bank or insurance company, and also independent of the subjective opinions of advisors and bankers. So we created intelligent portfolio optimization, which is that you download our app, scan your current financial contracts, and the app will start looking for better offers. But not only at the time that you scanned it, but also into the future. So you can close the app and rest assured that when there is a better offer for you, you will get a notification, or you can just open the app and look how your portfolio of financial products compares to the current market. Okay, so when it finds you a better offers, it can also help you negotiate better terms, because it's not always the best idea to go to other bank when there's only a slight difference. But a lot of times the application can give you the tip, okay, go to your banker and ask for a lower rate because new clients are getting it. So why couldn't you? So, and from the model portfolio that I was modeling, with the real differences between financial products prices, I concluded that the family, the working couple with 1,800 euros can save on average 280 euros. Okay, it may be much less, but it can be also in some situations more than that. Depends on how lucky they were. So let's talk about what we have and what we are working on. So just to close our solution, we call it personalized tips. It's currently still in beta, so it's not publicly available to everyone who downloads the app, because we didn't want to test it on real users, since we were sure that it's 100% working, but it's coming soon. Also this year we have created the platform for financial experts, as I showed you earlier. Currently, what we are working on is the intelligent scanning of documents and contracts. We have also added yesterday insurance inside the app, comparison, and also possibility to buy the products. And also what we would like to do until the end of the year is to integrate with bank accounts, so you will not only be able to see your financial contracts, but also how much money you have on your bank accounts, for example. Yeah, so the most interesting feature we are working right now, I think, is financial contracts analysis, because we started the personalized tips with manual input. You had to like type in details from the insurance contracts, but we concluded that it's a very tedious process, and something more elegant could be done about that. So that's why we are working on this one. It works fairly well, but we need much more data, which we are working on right now. So yeah, this is part of the better UX experience. And also this is one of the apps that is also soon coming soon. So you can find offer on your car insurance just by scanning your driver's license and car's technical card, yeah, from your car. So our vision for the next 2 years is to create ultimate platform where consumers and clients have all their contracts in one dashboard. They have the ability to make adjustments on them. They can buy the new services right from the comfort of a home from one single interface. Have the option to video conference with the expert if they need some more advice. And of course, real-time comparison across the entire market, but also with the real data from the banks. Not only the table comparison, but we will send, if you want, yeah. So it's opt-in. So send your demographics information and income to the bank, and bank will tell us what interest rate would they offer you. Yeah. So that's our vision, and to achieve it, to complete it, we also need some of your help. So that's where the collaboration comes. Yep, that's it. So we would like to work with banks to include live scoring, as I said. So we would like to ask them to provide us with APIs so they can give us some accurate some accurate interest rates for the client, and also digital loans, since banks are already implementing it. So we would like them to work with us, so we will be able to give them good clients in exchange. Also, with insurance companies, we are looking for APIs integrations and also possibly some customized products. And with startups, also we are open to work together, because we have the first part that we find out what the user, what the consumer has right now, but we also want to give him an elegant solution in one app, so to give him the service that he may be looking for. Okay, so this is the preview of the application. So as I said, the personalized tips are the first screen are currently still in beta. Also, financial products will come soon, but you can already you have all kinds of calculators, chat, block, and goals, for example. One small point. On iOS, the application doesn't look like that because Apple didn't like our screenshots, so they stopped the release. So maybe tomorrow, yeah, this will be, but on Android it looks like that. Okay, how much time?
We have actually some time and many questions. So
okay.
if you could probably concentrate on some of them, that would be very nice.
Okay. Okay, so let's take the first one. How many customers? So it's hard to say what is a customer, but from our standpoint, it's an active user who is using calculators, and also the second step is someone who is chatting with us, and the third one is someone who has bought a product from us. But we have more than 8,000 downloads, which I would say is not bad in comparison to other small financial apps in Slovakia. The second question, what is the main income? Yeah, the app is for free. We only get the commission from the insurance companies, but we try to yeah, only always sell the best suited product for the consumer, because that way, if we don't give them all the options, they won't come again. Yeah, okay, so that's it. GDPR. No, we are not sharing our data with third parties right now. But yeah, it depends on the situation. We can talk about it after the speech. About the products, right now only insurance contracts can be sold online. As I said, we want to work with banks to also have loans and bank accounts. Yeah. And about the it's stored. Yeah, it's in an encrypted database. It's stored on the servers, because that way we can do analysis on your products, even if your app isn't running. But you don't have to give any personal data into the app if you don't want to, because everything you can do just manually, all calculations. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your presentation and even for answering all the questions. That was Ján Široký from the platform Financie.online. Thank you very much.